Ako ba yung gago for breaking up with my boyfriend just because hindi kami align ng pag-iisip
Okay.
without fully knowing my partner? 7 months kami ng jowa ko, 27 male, and sa loob ng 7 months na yon, na-realize kong di kami compatible. Tambay siya for almost 3 years, I think, and nung naging kami, he took the initiative naman to find work. Pinilit ko naman magstay and look at his good sides, pero di ko na talaga kinaya. Ha 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 ha. Pati hindi ko pagbati ng monthsary pinag-awayan namin. Like, isn't that so high school? Aaminin kong
Mhm.
hindi rin ako perfect. I failed to address the issues I saw in him. Di rin ako palabigay ng assurance though my conscience is clear kahit mapaghinala siya minsan. So, I broke up with him and told him it's better we fix ourselves muna bago pumasok sa relationship.